Hello, this is Dan Critchfield, and this module will be the Q300M Mini Chapter 2 Intermediate. So the Chapter 2, this is about the application. Specifically, this will be about the ordering process of ordering the Q300 Mini. So the contents is going to be, we're going to go through the base packages, the motor packages, the drive wheel options, front caster options, color options, lights and indicators, the battery, seat to floor heights, power seating, a new power center mount footplate, an angle adjustable footplate. So let's get into the bases themselves. Now it should be noted that the Q300M Mini is going to have its new end item number. The end item number will be EIPW40. It will include 2 order forms and 2 seats that are going to be available on this. It will have the Sedeo light seat. The Sedeo light seat in the US is coded as either a K0848 or a K0856, no power or single power. You also have the option of getting the Sedeo Pro seat. The Sedeo Pro seat has US coding of the no power, single power, and also the multi-power. All of these packages are at 300 pound weight, user weight capacity. The motor packages that you have available for the Q300 Mini, there are 2 available. There's a 2-pole, which is a 6-mile-an-hour motor package, and a 4-pole, which is also a 6-mile-an-hour motor package. They're both no charge and can be chosen on the order form. The drive wheel options that you have available, there are 3 drive wheel options, including a new 12-inch 6-spoke solid knobby black, and it's going to allow the seat width to be 20.5 inches. So in order to take advantage of the narrowest base package, you do need to use that 12-inch drive wheel on there. We also are going to offer a 14-inch. This is the same basic size that we have on the Q700. It is going to use a 6-spoke wheel, a solid knobby in black. This is going to be the same as the 700. However, it's going to have a 6-spoke wheel instead of the 3-spoke wheel that we have on the 700. The solids are now going to be maintenance free, and that's why someone would want to choose a solid, because it does provide a maintenance free operation. The overall width of the chair is going to grow to 21.25 inches. So because the tire is taller, it's also a little wider, and so because of that, it does produce an overall width to be at 21.25. It should also be noted that with any of the 14-inch drive wheels, we're not able to maintain the stability for the CME with the seat elevator, so you cannot get the seat elevator with the 14-inch drive wheel. We are also going to offer a pneumatic version of the 14-inch drive wheel. The thing that's different about this is that this is a knobby tire and not the smooth V-groove tire. So it is a new pneumatic option, and it is also going to be with a 6-spoke wheel. Okay, and the reason you would use a pneumatic wheel is because you do get a little better drive comfort. You don't get that hard, stiff feel that the solid insert gives you. The pneumatic gives you a much softer ride, and again, because it's a bigger tire, it is going to have a 21.25 inch overall width. And again, it's not available with the seat elevate or the CME on this drive wheel package. Okay, the caster is going to be the standard 7-inch solid black non-marking front and rear casters. This is exactly the same as what you get on the Q500M as well as the Q400M. So those are the same as what you get with those. When it comes to shroud and color accents, the shroud colors you have, there are 8 color shroud options that they're able to pick. The only one that has the upcharge is the American flag. The color accents themselves, which you use with a matte black shroud, you have the available 7 color accents that you can use as well. So you can get that package if you'd like. And again, no charge on any of the color accents. Lights and indicators. The Q300M offers the lights and indicators. These lights and indicators are not simply just fender lights. They do conform to the European strict standard for brightness and functionality. The headlights are adjustable and they illuminate the path ahead. They have that beam of the light that actually shines on the road. The tail lights are bright and offer the flashers for maximum visibility. Now, some of the applications of this are not just so you can have nice lights, but there are some others as well. So every customer who wants to see or be seen in low light in indoor or outdoor can benefit from LED lights. The indicators are also effective to alert caregivers when verbal signals are just not enough. So the flashing light and the ticking noise that you get with the indicators can help to alert caregivers when maybe the person doesn't have a voice that they can use. So there is an upcharge for that of $1,200 for the lights and indicators. The batteries we're going to use when ordering batteries, we're going to only offer the 50 amp hour batteries. This is a special battery that we've purchased from MK Battery, not only for the initial purchase of the chair, but for a replacement of the chair, you will need to use this 50 amp hour battery. It is an AGM style. Remember, that gives you great range and it is maintenance free. When ordering a charger, the charger comes standard with an 8 amp charger and is included in the price of the chair. But you can also opt to get the 10 amp charger, which is that smart charger that's manufactured by Power First, and it does give you not only a faster time to charge the batteries, but also it reduces or it keeps the batteries topped off once it's fully charged. Seat to floor heights on this is very similar to what we have on the other chairs, where they're a 4-post design. The range of heights are available from 16.5 to 19 inches in half-inch increments. It's measured from the seat pan, okay, to the floor. That's how you measure the seat to floor. It's not the cushion, but it's from the pan itself to the floor. And it can always be adjusted in the field. It is field adjustable. The power seat options that you have on the Q300M include the 12-inch seat elevator with the optional See-Me. So you can still get the very popular See-Me function of being able to drive while the seat is elevated. Now, there is a 30-degree limit, tilt limit, when you order a combination seat elevator and a tilt. So because of the way that the mechanism works, there's a limitation. You cannot use a 50-degree tilt with the seat elevator. It is going to require that you use the 30-degree tilt when using the seat elevator. You can also get a power recline, and the power recline is offered on the Pro. Obviously, the Sadeo Lite does not have a power recline. The power center mount foot plate. Okay, so what is new for the Q300M, okay, is a new center mount, because the width of the center mount that we traditionally use is a little too wide for it to actually fit in between the casters. We had to make a slight change to it. So it's a very similar design, okay? And the key components as the Sadeo Pro power center mount, it just has a narrower casing. So you still get the two actuators, you still get the functionality, you still get the adjustment that you get in the foot plates and the height, but you no longer, it's just a little bit narrower in width. It is going to use the dual actuator, okay, and which allows you to articulate and extend. Okay, you cannot get a single actuator power center mount on this chair because that mechanism just doesn't fit in this smaller package. The split foot plates, okay, which allows you to accommodate different foot positions. It's obviously calf pads are separate, but they are highly recommended to provide calf support, especially when accompanying a power tilt. Also on this is a new angle adjustable center mount foot plate as well. So we introduced the angle adjustable center mount when we came out with the Sadeo Lite. Okay, so the new Q300M mini single adjustable center mount foot plate has a narrower design. So you can see, okay, that this design here is narrow. We had a single foot plate that we used on the Sadeo Lite when we introduced it with the Q400 and Q500, but with this one, we needed to come out with a little narrow one. We did take the opportunity to split the foot plates to accommodate different ankle angle position, so you can get a different position there. And what is going to be available on the 300M is that you can get that new footplate not only on the Sadeo Lite, but you can now get it on the Sadeo Pro on the Q300M. So in summary, we went through the base packages. Okay, you have both the Lite and the Pro that you can use, the 2 different motor packages, the 3 different drive wheel options, the front caster. Okay, we went through all of the various color options, the optional lights and indicators that you can order on share, the single or the new set of batteries that we got, which is the 50 amp hour batteries, how to adjust the seat to floor height and what the seat to floor height range is, as well as we went through the power seating, including the power center mount and the new angle adjustable footplate. Thank you for your time today.